Well, power tour is tomorrow. Got the new headlights in, but I can't get this window to go up all the way or down all the way. It's stuck about 90% up and nothing. So I'm gonna have to pull the panel off the inside and see if I can get it fixed yet today, at least down for power tour. So that panel's about to come out right there. Okay, we've got the window moving again. I pulled the cover back, took the old trusty ball peen hammer, and I start tapping on the motor, and now it goes up and down. So we'll get this by through power tour, and then we'll come back and we'll get a new motor or see what's going on with the motor for this guy.